Good afternoon. It's going to stay cold this week. There'll be some wintry showers in southern and eastern areas, but then there's a change on the way over the weekend. On Sunday, it looks like a band of rain, sleet and snow is going to move eastwards, leaving behind much milder but more unsettled weather for all of us next week. But for this afternoon, there'll be a lot of dry weather around. There'll be some patchy fog in some northern areas which could linger throughout the afternoon, and it'll always be quite cloudy towards the east coast. And down towards the south, there will be more cloud and there'll be a few wintry showers about. And it is going to be another bitter afternoon, a top temperature of 2 to 4 degrees, but where the fog lingers and over the hills, temperatures are unlikely to get any higher than freezing. And then for the next few days, we're watching this weather front here. It is going to get rather stuck. It'll bring with it some snow showers into parts of eastern Scotland and northeast England. And there could be a covering of snow in places here. And that's likely to give some fairly tricky travelling conditions. And then we look out to the west on Sunday at this weather front, which is going to try and move in from the west, bringing with it a band of rain. Now, as it hits the cold air we're currently experiencing, we are likely to see some sleet and snow in places, particularly in central and northern areas where there could again be a covering. But that is then going to move away by the beginning of next week, and then it looks like it's going to turn much more unsettled and windier too. At the moment we've got a gentle but cold easterly wind. Through the weekend that wind is going to change direction to come from the south or southwest, and then it's going to start to pick up. But it will mean that things turn much milder. Frosty night tonight, and it's going to stay frosty tomorrow night and into the weekend. But look at this, by next week we lose the blues. That means we lose the frost, and it looks like most places by then will be frost-free by night. But it's very different tonight. There'll be a widespread frost, temperatures as low as -5 to -8. Ice is likely to form on roads that haven't been treated, and there'll be some freezing fog patches too. But for eastern and southern areas, there's likely to be more cloud around, and there'll be some sleet and snow showers. Then tomorrow, western areas will be dry and cold. Some of the freezing fog very slow to clear, but there'll be some wintry showers in the south and indeed in the east, and it is going to be another bitterly cold day. For Friday and for Saturday, eastern areas will be quite cloudy with some snow showers. Western parts will be dry and cold. But then on Sunday, we are watching for that band of rain, sleet and snow, which is expected to move in from the west. Bye-bye.